come from up country Maui, a place where cowboys frequent. I come from a Paniolo, a cowboy family, hail from the Lindsay Ohana Waimea. And so it was just natural that when my mama moved to Maui, she wanted to live up country. Well, up country we grow a lot of cactus. And in Hawaiian, it's called panini. So many a Hawaiian mele are written for females, comparing us to those flowers. And this one is written for the white flower on the cactus. The ladies of Halaunalei Kaumaka'oka. Mahalo.